In this video, we are going to show you how to make a underwater fish inspired presentation slide in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Icons, click on Illustration, search Shape here. Select this and insert it. Click on right button, select Convert to Shape. Increase size like this. Duplicate the shape, go to Shape Format. Select Color, adjust like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Select this, click on right button, copy it and go to View tab, click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here, click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it. Send to Back, click on Outside, select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide, select this title slide. Click icon to add a picture. Here, I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go to first slide. Copy this. Paste here. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Go to Animation tab. Apply Wipe Animation. Go to Effect option. Select from right. Increase duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter. Apply on this shape. Go to Effect option. Select from left. Select Start after Previous. Again click on Animation Painter and apply on both text boxes and change the direction also. Now click on Slideshow. See how beautiful our animation looks. If you like the video, then please like it, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.